Get. Huh? All right, y'all. So this is the part 2 of the pig pen, the piggies. Last week we came, we chose the piggies, and now we're gonna pay for them. We were gonna go to the pig pen, but it's raining so much, it's gonna be so muddy, so I don't think we're gonna go. I'm just gonna make this video of us paying for them, and the next video we're actually gonna take them or pick them up. I'm not really sure yet, but the pig pen is done. Look, this is the daddy. Oh shit, he looks scary. This one is big, but the mama is way bigger. La mamá está más grande que el papá. Este es el papá. Pero ahorita vamos a pagar por los dos, y luego, como está llueve y llueve, no lo vamos a llevar todavía hasta allá porque allá hay mucho soquete. Look at this palm tree, It's super windy right now. Where's the... Ahí está la mamá. Oh, there's a little piggy. Oh, he already left. Ahí está la mamá. La mamá. Alright, y'all, so next video we're gonna take the piggies and hopefully take them to the pig pen and see what's going on. Like, comment, subscribe. It's super windy right now. Ahí está la perrona, ahorita vamos a subir a la perrona.